Hi, and welcome to Hardy Classics on a wet morning. Um, I always try and bring you something different, like I keep saying, and everybody who knows us knows I love commercials, especially light commercials. And I've got something here today that I'm going to pretty much guarantee you've never seen before, unless you've been to the museum where this was stored for years. Here it is. It's a Peugeot 304 van, and it's in the Patrick Motors livery because it was Patrick Motors delivery van. This van's only had one owner, although it's two in the book. One was Patrick Motors, and the second one was the Patrick Foundation. The Patrick Foundation was a museum in Birmingham, you know, that displayed his automotive history, basically. So this van is a real gem. 31,000 miles. Again, I cannot guarantee it, but if this isn't 31,000 miles, I don't know what is. Take a look inside there. It's just like a time warp. Absolute time warp. We got the van, we've recommissioned it. Obviously, with it standing for that long, brakes were gone. Fuel tank was full of rubbish. We've cleaned the fuel tank the best we can. My advice to somebody who I sell this van to is take the fuel tank off, get it reconditioned, cleaned out and lined, or look for a new fuel tank. But I guarantee you won't find one. It'll be like hen's teeth. Quick look round the van. It's brown, which is a period colour. I forgot to mention the year. It's 1979 on a V, so it's just on MOT exempt now. Bodywork's really good. There's no rust or rot anywhere on this car. Underneath this car is unbelievable. Underneath the car is like it came out the showroom. We've cleaned it off and give it a light coat of wax oil, clear wax oil, and it's absolutely perfect. Obviously, there's little dings and dongs on the car. It was a parts delivery van. It had a life before it went in the museum. Come around the back. Look at that. Anybody who's got a rally or a racing Peugeot or anything like that, this is the van you should have for your pit crew. Absolutely perfect. In the back. There you go. Look at them wheel arches. No rust or rot. There's no rust or rot anywhere on the car. Anywhere. There was a few paint chips on it. But that's all. Paint chips. Dints. There's a little dint there. There's a mark there. But apart from that, there's dints all over it, really. Little tiny ones, but it was a working vehicle. There's a moth there. Go and fly away. Genuine moth from 40 years ago. Right, look in that side. That side's probably never been sat in, to be fair. With the sills, it's just solid everywhere. Everywhere you look. Door bottoms, everywhere. It's just a solid van. The rubbers are starting to perish, which doesn't surprise us. We'll open the bonnet. We'll have a look underneath. It's a petrol engine. I think the 1200cc. Again, I'm not 100% sure on that. I can get the bonnet open. Yeah, there she goes. So there you go. I mean, what's more genuine than that? Look, solid. No rot, no rust, nothing. We've put a new battery on it. Give it a little service, new oil filter, new oil, which is clean as a whistle. I don't honestly think you'll find another one anywhere in England as good. You might find one in Europe, but not in England. And I'm going to stick my neck out here. This van drives better than any Ford Escort van, because I've got them, any Marina van, because I've got them, any Bedford van, because I've got them. This van outdrives all them vans. It is absolutely lovely. It's a joy, an absolute joy. And for a serious collector of light commercials, a serious collector of vans. If you want something to take to a car show that nobody else has got, you need to buy this. Right, I'm going to fire it into life. 31,000 miles. If you like this video or any other videos that we have, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really does help us. It makes us want to go out there and look for more stuff. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook, or just send us a message or give us a phone call if you want to talk about anything. Bye bye now.